class I am going to discuss about functions of management. So, what are the functions actually? The management or in the organization, the top level people or middle level people or low level people, exactly what they are doing and what they are doing and what purpose they are doing. But they are doing some functions or the activities to make the work to be done, or to complete the task of the organization. So that is what the main function. So what are the functions we do is the total functions. I am listing out total 7 functions, and total 7 functions I am including in one abbreviation, that is post-call. Post-call. So this is P first function, then O, S, D, CO together 5, then R 6, 7. Total 7 functions the management is doing. So I would like to explain you each and every one module in detail in later classes, but in this class I just want to give you a elaboration of this abbreviation. So P means first function is planning. Yes. So this is very important. Usually if you want to do any occasion at our home, so or we want to conduct a marriage in a very grand way, the first thing what we do is planning. So the same thing happens even in the organization also. If you want to come out the objective or the aim or your goal should be come out successfully, means every organization should plan properly. The planning is again so many types are there. The plans we will do it at moment, or we will do it advanced planning or concurrent planning, means in the process of doing the activities. Suppose you feel some difficulties doing some tasks, so we will plan another one. So planning will be different types will be there, and the planning how it is working out in the organization, everything I will discuss in the later class. So the first function of the management is planning. So that is planning of 3 M's: man, money and material. Yes, if these 3 things are successfully planned properly, definitely objective or the organizational goals will be successfully been able to achieve. And second one is organization. So organization. So when I speak about organization, I just want to say, just planning the things is not sufficient. What you have to do is you have to make the things implemented. So if you want to make the things to be implemented, means you need to organize systematically. Yes, these things should be done by these people, or this activity should be done tomorrow, or this budget should be spent here. So that is called it as in organization. Systematically organizing the things, systematically arranging the things. So again, what you have planned, that same planning you are organizing it. That is the second responsibility of the function management is organization. Next, third responsibility is, yes, staffing. It is a very big task. Usually we have to remember very big task, staffing. Because in every organization, already I gave several times examples. If it is a software company, if it is a college or school or hospital, definitely in the organization we have human beings. If you go to ISRO, or if you go to some jet or some, like, they do some trials, scientific trials. In all that situations also, definitely man is there. So that's why very important function of the management is staffing, managing the human resource. It is a very big task done by the management. So staffing, when I explained it, I said a lot of things will be there, because human beings have a lot of issues dealing with psychological, social issues and job descriptions, promotions, degradations or deployment or bonus. So many things are dealing with the staffing pattern. So that is the function of a management, staffing. So staffing is dealing with the human beings. So that is third function. Fourth one is directing. Yes, this is a word when I speak really literally, I just want to remind you, You plan nicely, you organize nicely, and you have a good staff. But if you are not directing as a manager under your control, that work will not run successfully. This is the best example. In any organization, if leader is not working properly, then outcome won't be good. If you take a software company, if leader is not working properly, then the project will not successfully complete. So directing is the meaning that he, as a manager or a part of management, definitely you have to lead the group. You have to lead the group. So directing the staff or directing the organization by leadership. Second one is supervision. So how you are directing the people means by leadership or by supervision. With this, there are a lot of different techniques are there. Among the two is very, very important. If this leadership or supervision is not there or not done by the management, if the management is not handling the function of a directing, definitely the organization will collapse totally. Because if somebody is not guiding and directing properly, work will not complete and organization objectives will not be fulfilled. And fifth responsibility is CO, that is coordinating and cooperating. So just listen the class and write. That's what that much assurance I can give you. So C means CO means coordinating and cooperating. Yes, as a management, definitely as a manager, you have to coordinate and cooperate with the staff or with the employees. Then only the task will be able to achieve. Then only the goals of the organization can be able to achieve. When you have a coordination, suppose employees require maybe leaves, employees require some benefits or some welfare services, you provide them. Then in return, you will get a work from them. So automatically you will achieve the organizational objectives. That is the meaning of coordinating and cooperating. Next, sixth responsibility is R. So R indicates reporting, or I say reporting and recording. Reporting and recording. So here, as in a management level, if you don't maintain the records and reports, then the organization is not in a level to show the value or the worth of that organization. So when you maintain records and reports regarding the employees, regarding the budget, regarding the plans, and regarding the upcoming task, if everything is kept it in the records and reports, definitely your institution will be in safe and employees also will be in safe, and you will be getting a proper recognition and you can able to achieve the goals. So these things are very important. Next, seventh responsibility is budgeting. Seventh responsibility is budgeting. So budgeting, yes, of course, management is along with money, material. So in that one, M is money. So budget plan is very, very important. So when you are planning about the budget properly, then organization will be able to achieve the goals and the employees under you, and there will be a maintenance of good harmony between employee and employer, because the budget or the salary or the allocations whatever you need to give, you are giving for the welfare of the employees, and in return you will be getting a what you expected from the employees. So that is importance of budget. And this budget, don't think that budget means only private institutions or corporate hospitals. No, budget is planned even in the government sector also. Think that it's a 5th 5-year plans. 5th 5-year plans. Yes, now at present in Indian government, the Modi is Prime Minister, where he is taking the decisions regarding some budget planning for whole India. Like they plan for education, they plan for children, they plan for family, they plan for health, okay, they plan for nutrition. So like this, so many concepts and aspects they will take and they allocate some budget. and their budget also they are not allocating only for today or not only for tomorrow. They are allocating for next 5 years. That's we call it as a Panchavarsha Pranalika or 5th 5-year plans. So that means the budget is the major responsibility of the management. So that's the example I just gave you, because if whole India was controlled or managed by some Rashtrapati or some Prime Minister, and in the state level if somebody Chief Minister is controlling, those persons we call them as a managers or the holding positions of the organization, and that people should plan compulsory these 7 responsibilities: planning, organization, staffing, directing, coordinating and cooperating, reporting and recording, and budgeting. So this is all about functions of management. If you really understand my class, just you can listen and write the exam. That much assurance I can give you. If you really like my classes, please do subscribe and share, and let somebody get benefited in my video, and you just forward to your friends also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.